Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very quick and easy tutorial on how to make your own fangs or teeth using polymorph plastic. So if this sounds like something you might be interested in, then please keep watching. As you can see, they come in granule or pellet form. The ones I'm using are from Poly Plastics, which I bought off Amazon. I will put the link in the description. You'll need to pour them into some very hot water. This needs to be around 60 to 62 degrees Celsius, which is around 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the plastic melts, it will look like this and become clear and moldable. Please do not dig it out with your fingers. This water will be very hot. Please use a tool to get it out. I found that this plastic hardened quite quickly, so I only took out what I needed and I kept the rest in the hot water. I then began shaping the teeth. You can, however, use this polymorph plastic to mold into any shape that you like. Polymorph is a highly dynamic material that can be formed and reformed multiple times just using hot water. So if you're not happy with the shape of something, you can always put it back in the water, melt it and reshape it again. I found the easiest way to get a nice sharp pointed tooth was to form the tooth first and then cut it diagonally with a pair of scissors. Repeat this process until you have the desired amount of teeth or fangs. Once the plastic has turned white, it is set and is ready to use. And that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing.